Alright, so what will we need to make this? First off, I've got my inspiration scrunchie. I want this to be a lot of fabric because I have a lot of hair, so I'm going to make it wider and chunky like this one. We also have a safety pin, 2 different kinds of elastic. You'll only need to choose one. I've got a hair tie that's a little stretched out, and then also just some elastic left over from another project. This is a little more decorative than you would normally need to use because no one's going to actually see this, but it's what I had on hand. I've also got a hand needle and some thread. So for time's sake, I'm going to use my machine for sewing for this video, but use what you have, and if that's a needle and thread, go for it. Also, I have my trusty straight edge and measuring quilting square, and then also these are some spring-loaded fabric shears. If you see yourself sewing a lot and you're going to be cutting a lot of fabric or doing other crafty projects, it's nice to have spring-loaded shears because they help save your hands. And they last a really long time. If you buy one pair of shears, they'll last you for years and you can get them sharpened when they're dull. And lastly, I have fabric. Let's talk about that now. So here I have 2 towels that I'm gonna reclaim these fabrics and turn them into something else. So it's really awesome using salvage materials because we're able to make fabric last longer instead of buying it new. Also, microfiber like this, it can get kind of expensive to buy. So if you can find an old dish towel or something made out of this microfiber material, and it is petroleum based, so it's not a natural fiber, that's gonna be a lot cheaper. And I love using what I already have to make new stuff. Over here, I have just 100% cotton towel, so this would be more in terms of terry cloth. We have our fabric in the shape that we need. So we just have a really long rectangle. So you're gonna pick one end and you are going to fold and finger press down a 1/2 inch hem. That is ready. It's not gonna keep it down a lot of the time on thicker fabric, but the fabric will kind of remember this crease and we will need this in a minute. So fold this down and flip this over so the fold is facing the table.